sparkling down there.
And suddenly, a portal opened to another time.
Greetings, Tuffy. Welcome to the green future. I want my jungle to be like this too. Go, Tuffy. Inspire your world. Time to make the mid-jungle shine. A jungle shine. Friends, let's make our home clean and green. Take care of nature, and the future shines bright.